One person was killed when a Bolero collided with a Bolero pickup on a road in 0 Point under Dilai police station at around 4:30 p.m. On 15th August, a white Bolero bearing registration number AS03AA8647 while on its way from Jorhat to Difu collided with Bolero pickup bearing registration number AS09BC0881 which was on heading to Bokajan from Manja. As per the information received, it was reported that they informed the police about the incidents and 108 ambulance service was called instantly. Accordingly, the police reached the spot. According to the police, one of the 4 people boarded in the Bolero died on the spot and the other 3 were critically injured. The driver of the Bolero got stuck and was freed by the help of people. After a while, ambulance reached the spot and the injured victims were immediately taken to DMCH. The driver of the Bolero pickup took an opportunity and managed to flee from the scene. The vehicles were taken to Dilai police station. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbing Longlai.